Hey everyone, this is Kunal from Loop 91. We have all been there. A mass import goes wrong, or a business process change means that you need to update 5,000 records at once. Historically, that would have meant writing a background script, crossing your fingers, and hoping that add query worked right. But today we are looking at a much safer, more modern way to handle this. We are diving into ServiceNow's system data management tools for bulk update and bulk delete. These tools give you something scripts do not, a safety net called preview and rollback. By end of this video, you will know how to clean up your data without breaking a sweat, or worse, your instance. Before we jump into the instance and give you a demo, let's just talk about why you should stop using background script for simple mass updates. When you run a standard glide record script, it kind of happens in the dark. You write the code, you hit execute, and you wait for the results. If you made a mistake, there is no undo button unless you set up complex logging behind it. The data management tools, on the contrast, offer four massive advantages. The one is the visual condition builder. You don't you don't have to copy and paste encoded queries. You just use the same filter UI you use every day in ServiceNow. Second, the preview stage. The adage that measure twice, cut once. It shows your count and the list of affected records before a single bit of data is changed. The cascade analysis. For deletion, ServiceNow calculates the ripple effect of your actions. It tells you exactly how many SLAs, tasks, or attachment will vanish along with your target records. Fourth, and the most important one, the rollback engine. This is the ultimate safety net. If you realize 10 minutes later that your filter was wrong, you can still revert the entire batch with a single click. It's like a time machine, but for your data. Now for the demo part, we will look at a situation. On our incident table, I want to mark all those records which have category of inquiry, state is resolved, and the records have been resolved for more than 30 days. So what I would do is I would just look at the kind of data that we need to change. So we will look at the category and set it to inquiry. The state needs to be resolved, and the resolved should have happened 30 days previously, right? So last 30 days. That gives us 354 records. Now we will jump to data management tools. You can click on any column header, the three buttons, and data management, update all with preview. This will create a new record in this table, sys dm update. Now we will repeat the filter that we had set there. State is resolved, category is inquiry or help, and resolved was before last 30 days, right? So last 30 days. Let's save the record, and then we would preview the records. It shows that 354 records match this condition. That number matches what we saw earlier. You can click on this. It will open a new tab and show you the incidents that are about to be updated. And if you look at the filter, state resolved, category inquiry, and resolved is 30 days before. We'll close this tab and go back here. Now, what is the change that we want to make on each and every record here? We want to make the state to closed. Now, you could remove this part that is sys updated by sys updated on should not be updated. And if you don't want to run the engines or business rules means no business rule will run nor any notification will go out. We'll save this again and we will execute. Let's preview it again and we will keep those record in the tab here, right? And we will go back to our previous tab, execute now. Now, what this is showing you is that the progress. Now remember, data management tools run in the background. So you could be effective in 1 million records. You could leave and have a coffee and come back. This will keep updating. It will keep saying that, yes, I'm working on it. And once that is done, it will say completion code is success. Now let's go back to our incident view. Remember, we had set the filter to resolved. So if I were to refresh this list, there should be 0 records here. And there are 0 records here. That means all the records were updated. And now if you go here, you can actually click on check execution results. It will take you back to the record that where we clicked on execute now. You can click on rollback, but we'll come to that when we demo the delete tool. Now let's talk about the most dangerous button in admin toolkit, delete. We have all been asked at some time to just wipe out those tickets. And for this, I have created bunch of records which have stale in their short description. We have around 150 records that we want to delete. So we'll go to data management, delete all with preview. It carries a filter, short description contains stale. So let's quickly click on preview. It correctly identifies that 150 records would be deleted. And these are exactly what we want them to. We'll go back to the record. But remember, incident is related to multiple tables. For example, SLA. How would you identify which records from task SLA tables are going to be deleted? So click on preview cascade here and it will identify the records that would be deleted alongside your incidents. 150 incidents and 150 task SLA records. So we already have our preview here, so we can come back when this task is completed. So let's quickly click on execute now. The deletion normally takes a lot longer than update. So it might be a while. It might take at least 30, 40 or maybe a minute. So if you see it, the system would refresh the screen automatically and keep checking whether the deletion job is complete or not. Once it is completed, it will update and show us a green sign that says complete. Let's wait for it. I'll pause my screen and come back when this is completed. And yes, now it is complete. Let's go back to our list where we had those records. So if I were to refresh this, there are no records. So all the records were deleted. But I want to roll back. Remember when I said the best part about this tool is the rollback function. For that, let's go back to the execution results. And you have the option here, rollback. Clicking on this will bring those records back from deleted records. So let's click on it. Are you sure you want to execute this rollback? Yes, I am sure. And done. Let's go back and refresh this. And all the records are back as if nothing had happened. Just like I said, a time machine, but for your data. Before you go, a quick word of advice. Even with these tools, always test in a sub-prod instance first. verify a filter twice, and preview your Cascade result in dev or test before you touch the production. If this helped you feel a little more confident about managing your data, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more ServiceNow videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.